If you're sick and tired of opening boxes with your keys, desperately need an upgrade, or you just need something for your next camping trip, then the best option is for you to pick an EDC knife. It's a great tool to have, especially for those who love outdoor activities like hunting, camping, and fishing. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and links where you can buy them. Let's begin our list with the Kershaw Scallion. It uses a 2.4-inch high-carbon 420HC stainless steel blade that offers good edge retention and a bead-blasted finish for a smooth, easy-to-clean matte appearance. This knife is equipped with 2 lock-in systems to ensure that the blade will not accidentally open. A lock-in liner and a tip lock slider keep the blade closed when it's folded. Its bead-blasted finish enhances the knife's aesthetics and complements its end use. This high-tech finish is achieved by applying a mixture of fine media onto the blade's steel under high pressure, creating a smooth, non-reflective matte finish. It uses the revolutionary SpeedSafe assisted opening system to enable smooth, secure, fast, and one-handed blade deployment. A tip lock system is located where the blade's tip meets the handle scales in the closed position. A press of the thumb activates the tip lock for secure, safe knife use. The Gerber Fastball Folding Knife holds the runner-up position in our list. This knife features an S30V Wharncliffe blade. It uses an easy-off liner lock release with ball bearings for consistent, smooth deployment, and it's equipped with balls of steel stainless steel technology, which leverages a ball bearing system and provides Gerber's smoothest, most consistent deployment to date. You can use it on your left or right hand with the ambidextrous 3-position pocket clip. This steel knife is the kind of EDC gear you can keep on hand for any task. Finally, it comes in 3 eye-catching colors to complement your style. Altogether, this knife has an intuitive finger flip opening, a utilitarian Wharncliffe blade, and aircraft-grade aluminum handles. With a light and simple design, the SOG Money Clip is the perfect knife for minimalists. This wallet knife is a compact mini pocket knife and tactical wallet knife with a clip. A credit card knife secures cash, ID, business cards, and more. It makes a great neck knife and everyday carry knife with a skeletonized structure letting you loop a chain for easy carry. This stainless steel money clip card knife and EDC utility knife is lighter than average pocket knives because it uses their 8CR13 MOV stainless steel construction. Additionally, it's an easy open lock blade pocket knife with a liner lock, and the slim pocket knife is thinner than a pack of chewing gum. Finally, it features a satin polished straight edge with a widened thumb groove for fast, easy one-hand opens. Another advantage is that it's housed in a lightweight, skeletonized stainless steel handle for overall durability. For the most unique shape and ready for a tactical approach, we have the Spyderco Mantra 3 Premium Flipper Knife. It combines a flipper-style opener with Spyderco's patented compression lock. Rather than providing structural strength for the handle, the liners also form the foundation for the high-strength compression lock mechanism. Plus, the butt end of each scale has machined recesses to accept a reversible, deep pocket wire clip, which offers a choice of discrete, left or right side tip carry. Elegance combined with a traditional touch will give you the Opinel N-Degree 7 pocket knife, which perfectly fits the best-looking knife tag. It uses a patented ViroBlock lock-in mechanism, which keeps your knife safely closed in your pocket and locks the blade open during use. The simplicity of the knife's design and its sustainable wooden handle make the knife lightweight as well. The knife is equipped with a 3.07-inch blade, which opens up to 6.99 inches total length. In addition, the handle is made from hard, durable beechwood from France. The blade uses Sandvik 12C27 modified stainless steel, which is anti-corrosive thanks to chrome and requires no special maintenance. In addition, the 0.4% carbon content provides an excellent cutting edge and is easily sharpened. Furthermore, the blades are made from high carbon steel or stainless, which sharpens easily to a razor's edge.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.